to know what I'm buying today? Okay, I'm buying smart cash. Here's one key. You sell during the day when the market goes up, and at night is when you buy. Electronium! Linda, I'm keeping that long term, baby. All right, I'm gonna get Mint, M-I-N-T. I'm gonna hold that for 45 days. I want 1,000,000 coins, baby. I'm in love with crypto. Yo, time to buy more. Let's take that one to 100,000. Blockchain, baby. Now you can just take $25, stick it in some crypto. Yeah. Holding it for 30 days. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm saying what I'm gonna do because I'm not a financial advisor.
I got a little present for you. Something that'll make you rich. You see this book? This book tells the future.
You're gonna go from 0 to hero. Woo! Within like moments. How on earth would an investment of $100 2 years ago become $93,000? Say you invested $100 into Dash. That 100 could have become $140,000. $100 investment 6 months later, that $100 could turn into $82,000. The list is a mile long. $100 could turn into $108,000 in 1 year. $1,000 worth could have become $1,085,000. Imagine investing $100 and 6 months later, that can turn into $2.4 million. Bananas. Investing $1,000, it could have become $271,000. Don't believe it? October 20th, 2015, when Ethereum was 42 cents, you dropped $1,000 on it. Just 2 years later, that $1,000 could have turned into $930,000. So this is exciting. There isn't some abstract set of rules to follow, and you can't screw this up. I made it easier than a drunken bridesmaid. In other words, I got you. So I would like to formally welcome you, hello, to my Crypto Prophecy live webinars. I'm going to spend my time with you every week in live webinar class, present my new findings, which have made my students a lot of money, as seen in the testimonies.
Now I have a more clear picture of how it is, and it's just more and more coming into more clear focus, and you know, now it's just, I get more excited about it. So I thought I knew a lot, but now it's just even more so.
Brian, I have like 5 pages of notes of you.
The crypto chick, she had taught me more in an hour that I could learn in weeks. Learning about Bitcoins and all the current new currency. It's unbelievable what's going on right now. If you get an opportunity, you want to work with her. She will definitely help you take it to the next level. She will help your learning curve, and I promise you, you'll be on the road to making some good money for yourself and your family. Crypto Prophecy is going to be the key to start your Ferrari, the key to your house, woo, and the key to the vacation house in Florida, woo, going to the beach, because I share everything. You're basically copying my entire business, and although I can't talk about the way it actually makes money in public here, for various reasons, I'm not about to ask you to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Trust me, this is the best asset in my arsenal. It's a war out there, and everyone's vying after the same treasure, the same goal, and the same jackpot. Crypto Prophecy webinars will get you to the pot of gold faster than a leprechaun on steroids. I took up all the hard stuff and made it so easy so anyone I shared it with could understand it, and now I'm going to share it with you. I'm giving you the opportunity to throw all the chips in a perfect hand, clear the table, dropping the mic, walking away to sunset like a freaking boss while everyone explodes behind you. Congrats! You're halfway there! Now all you gotta do is sit down at the table because you're built to win this. All the cards are dealt in your favor. You own the house. Finish the run. Click on the order button below and fill the address you're going to use for the Bittrex account and get paid in Bitcoin. Just make sure you pay for the processing and that's it.
is guaranteed. Then it's time to start making money. Welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. What kind of drink would you like? And after you sign up, come meet me at the bar. First round's on me. Alright, so what I want you to do is click the link below. Yes! Then you're gonna get a subscription to my website. Yay! Me and you. We're gonna be a team, right? Team time, because I've got your back, you got mine, and we're just gonna have a really good time, right? Plug it in. With crypto. Plug into Coinbase. Plug into Bittrex. Yeah! Blockchain, baby.
Wow.